This is a quick answer to a question about nesting items in Monday.com. So, out of the box, you have items and sub items available to you for nesting. So, this will be a parent item, and you can add a sub item uh, into as a child of that parent just by clicking and expanding that parent item. So we'll just say this is sub item one. Oops. And now that's your nesting of an item and a sub item. Um, you cannot add sub items to sub items. You only have two levels of nesting for actual items. However, you do have a group that you can use to nest your items. So if you have a group one or a phase one, we'll say phase one, and then you have a phase two, um, you have essentially added a level of nesting without the ability to edit columns to your Monday project. One level further up is your board nesting. So you can create a board and it can have its own groups, which can have their own items, which have their own sub items. You don't get the columns at the group or board level, but you do have one more tier in the hierarchy of your organization as you go up. So that's a brief overview of nesting items and sub items in Monday. For additional information, contact me at natthompson.com/contact. I'd love to hear your questions and scenarios to see how I can help you with your Monday.com implementation.